One of the biggest mistakes I see contractors make is assuming that revenue and profit are the same thing. A contract gets awarded, the work gets completed, the invoice gets sent, and everyone assumes the job was successful, right? But months later, there's no cash, no reserves, no margin, no growth. That's because many businesses track revenue but never truly understand profit, cash flow, and margin. In this presentation, we're going to talk about what happens after you win the contract and why institutional readiness isn't just getting access, it's surviving the success.